This video is part 3 of the This video is part 3 of activity 4.2.5, the automata box. So let's get started. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to put the followers guides in and the followers. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to put the follower guides and the followers into the automata box. So let's get started. I have my follower guide, so I'm going to drop that over here. And it's going to be a repeat. I'm going to spin that upward and get it in the correct position to start with. And actually, if you know what, I could probably actually start this in reverse. It may help me out and be a little bit quicker. So I'm going to flip it upside down. We'll hit OK. I'm going to go up to my joints. I want to check my joints, make sure I'm in a rigid joint, which I am. Next, I'm going to slide down to my guide. I'm going to put my cursor on this little flat edge. I'm going to hit the Control key, and I'm going to just come over to the middle of that part and grab the middle. I'm going to zoom back out to my box. I'm going to come on my box. I'm going to hit the Control key and put it in the slot. I'm going to repeat this process. I have 4 holes, so I'm going to repeat this process 4 times. We'll spin this back down. We'll hit OK. I'll zoom in. I'll go to my joint, come down my edge, go into my center point right there. Come up to my box, Control, put that one in. We'll hit OK. I'll do it twice more. Slide this over. I'm going to rotate this down. Zoom in. Joint. Come to my edge, grab my center. Zoom out. Control. Grab that center point. Hit OK. And one more time. Bring my follower in. I'm going to rotate it downward. We will zoom in. Go to our joint. Control. Slide to the middle. Zoom back out. And Control. Click. So now I have my 4 follower guides in. We're going to put the 4 followers in. So first thing is I'll go down and find my follower. I'll bring one in. I'm going to pull it out just a little ways. Hit OK. Now this is going to be a slider joint. I need to slide up and down. So we're going to go to Motion. Come down here. I'm going to put a slider joint in. Go back to position. Now I'm going to come up here and I'm going to get on my top. I'm going to Control so I can grab my center point. Zoom back out. Zoom into my top here. And I want to grab that top center point. So I'm going to move my cursor here. I'm going to hit my Control key and grab that center point. We will hit OK. And now I should be able to pull this up and down, which I can. I'm going to repeat that process 3 more times. We'll pull that out. Zoom into the top. We'll go to our joint. We're still in the slider joint. I'm going to grab the center top point there. Come over here. Control. Grab my center point. This one puts it in. And this one I might just flip so it's even with the other one. We will hit OK. I'm going to grab it, make sure I can pull it up and down, which I can. I'll grab another follower. Slide that in. Pull it out just a little bit. Hit OK. We'll zoom into the top. Go to our joint. I'm controlling and grabbing the center point. We'll zoom into the next one. Control. Grab that point. Okay, I can see my slider motion. We'll flip it upside down. We'll hit OK. I'll grab it, make sure I can pull it up. I'll grab it and make sure I can pull it up. There we go. Zoom back out. We'll grab one more follower and bring it in. I'm going to pull it out just a little ways. We'll hit OK. We'll zoom into the top there. Go to my joint. Click the center point. Move this over a little bit. Zoom into my top right here. Hit Control. Zoom to the center. And there's my joint. I can flip it. And then I can bring it up and down just to see what is going. Zoom back out. And that is how you put the follower guides and followers in.